Hey, it's me, Leah here, and I'm super excited to introduce to you this 11-piece pot and pan set. This is an awesome piece. So let's go through all the different pots and pans and check them all out. This is an 11-piece high quality stainless steel cookware, and it comes with everything you need. First, we have your 2.2 quart saucepan, perfect for making all your sauces. We have a 3.2 quart stock pot. Then you have your 4.4 quart stock pot. And then you have your 10-inch saute pan, fry pan, however you want to use it. And then you have your 6.9 quart stock pot with your removable steam basket. You can use the 6.9 quart stock pot with or without the steam basket, and the lid fits perfectly. So let's get cooking. I can't wait to try these pots and pans. So I got this pot and pan set for review, and I absolutely love these. What's nice about these is there's no coating on the inside. So there's no harsh chemicals. There's nothing that you have to worry about. And this is designed for all stove types, including induction. You have your nice little lip on the bottom of the pan. Each piece comes with a lid, and it even has a little vent hole and a beautiful little handle. I got these free for review, and I highly recommend because this is an awesome set to have. And as you can see, it cooks very well.